In this guide, we will walk you through the process of copying text from an image. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have an image from which we want to extract text. To do this, we will use a website. First, open your web browser and go to the site called imagetotext.info, which I will type in now. Once you are on the site, you will see options to drag and drop, upload or paste an image. The supported formats are listed as well. I will click on Browse, find the image on my desktop and click Open. After that, click Convert in the bottom right corner. Now just wait for a moment. It shouldn't take too long. The website will extract the text from the image, and once that's done, you will see the text displayed on the right. You can then click the copy button to copy the text and paste it wherever you want. In this case, I will paste it here. It's that simple. If you found this useful, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.